Welcome to Just Drunk White Girl. I'm Just Drunk White Girl, and it's my birthday! Okay, well technically today it's not my birthday, it's like a week before my birthday, but this is gonna go up on my birthday.
Yeah, actually, this is actually gonna go up about a week after my birthday, cause I was too lazy to edit over my birthday weekend. It was my birthday, don't judge me.
So to celebrate my birthday, I just want to do a really quick little video where I'm gonna try for the second time ever in my life a chocolate martini. I never had my first drink until I was 21 years old, and when this video goes up, I will be 31 years old. So 10 years ago was when I had my first drink, and that first drink was a chocolate martini, and it tasted terrible. It was so gross. I like tried to choke it down, but I just couldn't. It was just so bad. Now, since I got it at Olive Garden, I'm thinking that it might have been more Olive Garden's fault than just chocolate martinis in general being terrible. And also, you know, that was like my first sip of alcohol. I am significantly more used to alcohol and alcohol flavors now than I was 10 years ago. So today I figured I am going to make a chocolate martini for myself and see if it is as disgusting as I remembered or actually delicious. Now I have to say, I'm a little suspicious on multiple levels, because number one, this drink only has a half an ounce of actual vodka in it, which I just honestly don't think is gonna I feel like it's just gonna completely cover up the taste of alcohol to the point where it's not even gonna seem like there's alcohol in there. How is there only half an ounce of vodka in? Half an ounce. And a vanilla vodka to a flavored vodka, that's not even a full 40%. This recipe that I found is 1.5 ounces of Godiva chocolate liquor, 1.5 ounces of this creme de cocoa. That is just how I'm pronouncing it, because I can never get it right the correct way. A half an ounce of vanilla vodka, and then 2.5 ounces of Bailey's. Okay, honestly, I'm gonna make a few adjustments to this just right off the bat. I know that this is supposed to be me trying one for the first time and seeing if it was the martini's recipe's fault or not, but also, I am not drinking something that only has half an ounce of alcohol in it. That's nothing. I can't believe that a cocktail could get away with having that little bit of alcohol in it. Alright, so I have some ice, and I'm just gonna do 2 ounces of Bailey's and 1 ounce of vanilla vodka instead. We'll find out what happens. So, first thing, 1.5 ounces of Godiva, 1.5 ounces of creme de cocoa, 1 ounce of vanilla vodka, and 2 ounces of Bailey's. And it won't come off. I got it. Alright, and I already have my martini glass room with some chocolate. We're just gonna strain this. Oopsies. There we go. And here we have it, my second ever chocolate martini. Move all this crap out the way and have ourselves a taste. I have chocolate stuck to my lips now. You know, I can kind of see how my 21-year-old self, no, not really. You know, here's the thing. I think that if it was Olive Garden screwing up the recipe, it has to be because they used too much vodka. Or maybe they didn't use vanilla vodka. I tried to look up Olive Garden's original recipe, but it's impossible to find because they don't make it anymore. I remember finding a little picture of the menu though that listed it on there, that I think said that it just used Tito's vodka, not a vanilla flavored vodka. So it's possible that the reason it tasted so bad was because they just used regular flavored vodka in it. Because I have to say that having changed the recipe to put in twice as much vodka, it's still you really just can't taste alcohol at all. can a little bit, but like, and I know that like my 21-year-old self was definitely more adverse to the taste of alcohol. But like, I still feel like I would have, like, this is about what I feel like I probably was expecting it to taste like. Like, I wasn't expecting the alcohol to be fully covered up. But I just remember it being like extremely alcoholic with like a very slight bit of chocolatiness in it. And like not really like sweet enough, like a very like almost dark chocolate-ish kind of like bitter chocolate taste to it. I have to imagine that it's because I used vanilla vodka. There's no way that the one that I had was actually this sweet. There's no way, because this is like, it tastes like you're drinking chocolate milk. There's like a little tiny little bit of like a sourness at first whenever you first drink it. And a little bit of the aftertaste, kind of, but like, again, it pretty much just tastes like there's a little bit of alcohol in there. And like, I was expecting that. Yeah, when I tried that, I literally couldn't finish it. Like, it's not like I hadn't had other alcoholic drinks after that I was able to drink that tasted fine. I mean, the first time I ever actually got drunk, I was literally drinking, just like chugging down Long Island's, not realizing how alcoholic they were. Which, I mean, yes, Long Island's are supposed to like not really taste that alcoholic, but you can still taste the alcohol. You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't like I was just adverse to all alcohol, but like, but then again, it was the first time that I ever tasted it, so maybe. But I don't know, I just really remember it being not this sweet. Like, I remember that being one of the things that like I was thinking the sweetness would like outweigh the alcohol flavor of it. But again, I'm like, I mean, I guess I had no idea what it tasted like at all, so maybe I was just really put off by it. And it's probably just like the way that I'm remembering it. You remember that you like felt something, but you don't remember actually feeling it, or like tasting something, but you don't remember actually tasting it, but like you just imagine what it must have tasted like based off of the thoughts that you remember having about it, if that makes any sense. Either way, I'm very sad that it's been such a long time since I tried a chocolate martini, because this thing is delicious. Alrighty. Do you mind? Oh, it's garbage night. I forgot about that. I should keep my crown on while I go and take the garbage out. My birthday is on garbage night next week too, so. And yes, I do actually wear an actual crown for my birthday. I bought this crown for my 30th birthday because it was my 30th birthday and I actually had money to spend on my own birthday. Like, it was like the first big birthday that I actually had money to spend on it. So I went just all the way out and did buy myself a legit crown. It was supposed to just be something that I would do for my 30th birthday, but I don't know, it's like, I really want to start like a tradition of just buying a new crown every birthday now. I know that probably seems so stupid, but like, you know what? I wish that crowns would make a comeback, okay? I don't know what it is, but I freaking love wearing crowns. It was just like the most fun thing ever. I wore that crown for my whole birthday weekend. On the second day of my birthday weekend, I ended up getting terribly, violently ill for like the next several days, so I ended up actually postponing my celebrations until the next weekend, and then I wore that crown that entire weekend too. I don't know, like, I feel like a crown just gives you like a whole nother sense of confidence. It just brings your confidence to a whole nother level. My advice, wear a crown whenever you can. But anyways, alright, I need to go dye my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more of my drunken antics every week. Have a fantastic, amazing day, and wear a crown. And to commemorate, can I commemorate myself? To celebrate, that's what I want, that's the one I wanted. So to celebrate my video, okay. No one saw that. It might, you know what I mean? Like, it's one of those things where it's like, you remember that you thought a thing, so therefore, you're